Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's discuss about routine. Look for the magic in the daily routine. The secret of your child's future is hidden in his current daily routine. So first, as a parent, we have to know that what we actually want from our kid. We want them, they woke up early, brush their teeth, recite Quran, breakfast on time, dua before every task, they clean up after playing, sleep on time, they do their homework on time, and organize their things. A child reminds us that playtime is an essential part of his daily routine. So, as a parent, first prepare yourself, then move towards your kid. If kids do their tasks timely, all other things can recover. Make rules regarding routines, and be flexible as per the scenarios, as per the kid's situation. For the purpose of making routine, make a strong and clear communication to your kid. As Allah Ta'ala says in the Quran Pak, Surah Ale Imran, Ayat 190, indeed, in the creation of heavens and earth, and the alteration of days and night, there are the signs of people of reason. It means Allah Ta'ala also made the thing according to the routine. Allah Ta'ala made night for sleep and day for work. Consistency help your kid to make routine. So be consistent while you are making kids routine. And if you are introducing a new thing in his routine, then it requires at least 40 consecutive days to be punctual in a new routine. Wake up and smell the routine. Nourish your child and make him successful. As per the quote, successful people do daily what others do occasionally.